Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Aulon Watch Tetra S5, and on this video we are going to explore the preloaded watch faces, as well as we will download the watch face from its support app. We will also explore the custom wallpaper for the Aulon Watch Tetra S5. So if you are interested to see the list of watch faces for the Aulon Watch Tetra S5, as well as the tutorial, you want to know the steps on how to download the custom wallpaper for your smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video tutorial, video demo useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the watch face for the Aulon Watch Tetra S5. So let's put this aside. Let's check first the settings for the screen display. So we have here the watch face and theme. We have the brightness options here. Let's increase it. We have the display duration up to 1 minute. And let's see, raise to wake. We also have a support for raise to wake. And for the theme here, so this is the menu options. So for the watch face, we have an option to lock it. So this is rotary, you can change it. Let's count. Let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 preloaded watch face. If you want to set this as a watch face, just tap on it. I don't know if this is functional. No, it's not functional. You can also long press, then select the design that you want. For example, this one, and that's it. You can also lock it if you don't want it to accidentally change to other watch face. Okay, then now let's have an example. Let's try to download additional options or additional watch face from our GloryFit application. So for the additional watch faces, as you can see here, we do have a section for our watch face or dials. So we have here the watch face market. We have the album and watch face management. So what is watch face management? Dial center to download. So okay, so it is where you see the downloaded watch faces. So this one, it is a custom wallpaper. We have the watch face market. Let's see if there's a category. So recently updated. Let's see. So we have a combination. We have an analog here and mostly digital watch faces. Let's try to load it first. That's it. Let's see again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Only 19 watch faces available for the Aulon Watch Tetra S5. So I'm trying to refresh this one. Let's see if it will load additional watch faces. And as you can see, it states no more. Okay. So I'm disappointed with the number of watch faces here. I don't know why Aulon used the GloryFit. Or I don't know why we only have few and low quality watch faces for our Aulon Watch Tetra S5. So I'm disappointed with the list here. We only have 2, 3 analog style, and all are somewhat like a custom, I don't know, low quality watch faces. Anyway, let's try to download. Let's have this one. Okay, 564 KB. So synchronous dial. Let's see if it will work. Data present preparation is now syncing. Our smartwatch here switched to download mode. Let's wait for it. It's now syncing. 30%. Just a few seconds we'll have our downloaded watch faces. So far, very limited watch face for our Aulon Watch Tetra S5. Okay, if you love a smartwatch, or if you love personalization for your smartwatch, I guess you'll be disappointed with the list of options here for dials. Okay, and we have here our downloaded watch face. So we have a successful download so far. Let's see if it's available in our watch face management, and we have it here. For the custom wallpaper, so we have the background setting. Okay, let's see if we can set this. We'll pick from the options here. We'll pick this one. We have the time, adjust the time on top, then synchronous dial. Data preparation, let's see. And we will also try to add our own album, photos. Let's wait. Let's pick from the list here. Let's have the sunflower. Check. Crop. Okay, let's just wait. After this, we'll try to download this. It's now 43%, 48. Just a few seconds, we'll have our custom wallpaper. 62, 64. So let's adjust the color here. Nope. Okay. So we have our own wallpaper here. Let's check first this one. 98 and sync. And we have here our custom wallpaper. Next, let's have this one. Okay, synchronous dial, data preparation, and let's see. It's now downloading our own wallpaper. So let's wait. Might take a while. Okay, it's now more than 90%. Let's wait for it. 97, 98, and we have our custom wallpaper. So it works. So no issues with the custom wallpaper. The only problem that we have, or issue that we have, is that very limited. Okay, if we're going to compare it with other smartwatches, we have a very limited watch face for our smartwatch. We only have 19 watch faces. So very disappointing number or list of dials for our Aulon Watch Tetra S5. So that's it for our tutorial for the Aulon Watch Tetra S5, downloading watch faces and custom wallpaper. So if you have any questions regarding the Aulon Watch Tetra S5, specifically the dial section, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.